is Sherita, also known as Gracefully Natural, and in today's video I wanted to show you how I make my favorite Starbucks coffee at home. So my favorite Starbucks coffee that I like to order is the Cinnamon Dulce Latte, and I always get it in the grande size, and that's, if you're not familiar, that's medium size. So I wanted to just show you how I make it at home so I don't have to spend so much money and save some of those coins. So if you're interested, then continue to keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the post notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. So let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need some coffee. With Starbucks, they usually use espresso, but I'm not using espresso. I'm just going to use my favorite coffee. I have a Keurig that I will use, but you can use whatever form or coffee maker that you have at home, whether you boil your water and do instant coffee, you have a coffee pot, whatever you do or use, that's perfectly fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my coffee mug. This is my little Christmas coffee mug that I got from Dollar Tree about a year or two ago that I'm going to use. And if you know how to use a Keurig, then you know what I'm doing here. If you don't know how to use a Keurig, then there's several YouTube videos on how to operate a Keurig machine. So what I'm going to do is I've already put my filtered water in here. I'm going to take cinnamon bun, and I'm going to use this one because I do like sweet coffee. I'm going to go ahead and use my my syrup. So this is the Cinnamon Dulce Latte syrup, the Starbucks brand. I got this from Amazon along with this pump. So what you want to do is you want to pump about 4 pumps of this syrup in your coffee mug, okay? So let's go ahead and pump that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. After you pump that, then you want to go ahead and brew your coffee. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to put this on 10, and I'm going to use strong, and go ahead and let that brew. The next thing that you want to do is you want to froth your milk. So there is a froth button on this Keurig, but I haven't mastered that yet. And honestly, I don't really care if I have the froth. I just want to make sure that my milk is warm. So let me show you what milk I use. So I use the Silk almond milk. And what I'll do is I've already put it in this little cup. So I'm going to put this in the microwave until it starts to boil over. You're around to me so you can see what I am doing over here in my microwave. So you have to keep an eye on it because you do not want it to boil over. Okay, so it's starting to boil over, and that is perfect. That is exactly where I want it. And actually there is a bit of froth in there. You're not going to be able to see that, but there is some froth in there if I wanted to continue with that. So my coffee is finishing up. So the next thing that you want to do, let that finish. Is you want to add your heated milk. So I'm going to go ahead, let me grab a spoon because there's a little froth on here. To pour the milk until it fills up my cup. Okay, so here's my coffee. Let's see if I can pull you down some. Yeah. Well, anyway, I'm sorry, but here's my coffee. And here's my heated milk. And I'm going to go ahead and pour this. And what I'm going to do is take the spoon and kind of hold the froth back and then just add that. Okay guys, so I really can just stop right here, stir this up. And go ahead and drink it, but I like to add something else to it to give it that nice Starbucksy type of feel and look. So let me recap before I show you that. The first thing you do is you put your shot of your syrup, you put that in first. The next thing you do is you put your coffee or your espresso. And then the last thing you do is you put your heated milk, whatever milk of your choice, whether it's whole milk, skim milk, half milk, whatever, half and half, almond milk, soy milk, whatever. So the last thing that I like to add to it is this whipped cream. So I just take it And I just add my whipped cream to my desire. Look how pretty that is. And to top it off is this cinnamon sugar by McCormick. And I just sprinkle this on top. Yeah, and there you have it. My favorite Starbucks drink, Cinnamon Dulce Latte. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a test. Oh my God, it tastes just like a Cinnamon Dulce Latte, y'all. So, it is so good. So again, thank you for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if you want to see any more of my favorite drinks, coffee drinks that I make, because I do have another one that I like to make. Let me know if you've ever tried this, what your favorite Starbucks drink is. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.